Uhlelo lwe-FIFA olihambisana nokuthuthukiswa kwethalente luzovala igebe elikhona ekuthuthukisweni kwebhola lezinyawo emazingeni ezifunda ezihlukene ngokwamazwe. Luzogxila kakhulu emazweni akleliswe kude ohlwini lwamaqembu ekleliswa inhlangano yengamele ibhola emhlabeni. uDean Selvi we-FIFA nguyena ke ojutshwe ukubhekana nalolu hlelo kulelizwe nokunguhlelo olubekelwe iminyaka emithathu.
The idea around the TDS, the Talent Development Scheme, is to go into every country and to give every player a chance by primarily trying to link best with best.
In 2025, there will then be the national under-17 team, because we have realized also from our side that the majority of time when we have to try to bring players into the national team, we don't have the right database.
iSAFA kubonakala kuzofanele isebenze kanzima ukuqala kabusha uhlu lwayo lapho ezokwazi khona ukwandisa isibalo sabadlali ezoqoka kubona.
Their primary responsibility is development. If you don't have under 15 and under 13 or under 17, that LFA for me or that regime is non-existent.
Lolu hlelo luzoxhaswa ngemali ebalelwa ku $50,000 wamadola asemelika.
4 African teams that have qualified.